Hello, good afternoon. This is 9 November 1 Charlie Alpha, name Arun from Nepal. Today I am going to show my local homebrewed portable antenna that is made up on the Buddipole concept. First of all, I bought two pieces of MFJ 1979 17 feet telescopic whip, and then all the local materials like CPVC pipe and everything required for making this antenna. Now you can see two telescopic whip is already connected on tripod, which can extend up to 14 feet from the ground. Actually it is light stand for a studio, so I am using this for portable mast. This antenna is based on Buddipole concept, so I can use either in dipole configuration, two arms in both sides, or in vertical configuration, a quarter lambda and with counterpoise. As you can see, it is 17 feet extendable whip, so I can use without loading coil from 20 meter and higher. I have also a loading coil for 40 meter and higher. Previously I made same types of antenna with 7.5 feet telescopic whip with loading coil, so it was also for 40 meter to higher, but with less efficiency. So I have two versions. The longer version is with 17 foot telescopic whip, and shorter version is 7.5 foot telescopic whip, but both antenna can be worked from 40 meter to higher. And in addition to 80 meter coil, I had also made for 80 meter to higher on vertical configurations. So this all based upon the requirement, which antenna and which bands I need. I normally use with CMC on mode current chock, because in several occasions I had RF burn, so I never ever use without CMC. No balloon was used in this antenna. Its efficiency is very good. I had tested in many occasions, but only issue is that when it is fully extended, little bit bent towards the ground, as you can see in the video, and in vertical configuration little bit difficult to get the good SWR like 1.3 or 1:1, but in dipole no any issue. Even with the loading coil from 40 to higher, very easily can be tuned. So now it is fully extended. I confirmed the 10 steps fully extended. So now 17 meter in both sides, and I am standing the tripod, which go up to 14 feet from the ground, so perfectly working. And thank you very much all the helping hands who supported, and all the senior hands for making this one. Now thank you very much, and please check YouTube video for others. This is 9 November 1 Charlie Alpha. Thanking. Bye bye. Namaste from Nepal.